Good morning, everyone. Well, first of all, let me tell you, I belong to a breed of drilling engineer in ONGC, then a crisis manager. For the last, I have the experience of 20 years of handling, first-hand experience of handling uncontrolled blowout situation, uncontrolled hydrocarbon leakages, controlling the blowouts, fire, and our experience throughout this journey and the leadership. The topic of today is leadership, culture, sustainability, and MOC. So we used to believe in these theories from the very since in the beginning in the crisis management team. I'll come to that on the later. And today's topic is rightly apt at it is matching with the vision of ONGC to be global leader in integrated energy business with sustainability, sustainable growth, knowledge excellence, and exemplary governance. So that aptly matches our vision and our mission with the topic of today, to maintain our safety culture, to maintain the leadership commitment, and to always get one notch up above the safety curve wherever we are. So the most important thing in today's topic is the leadership. If the leadership have not the determination that my priority is safety first, or a safety as a value rather than going for the targets, going for the production. There has been certain incidents when there are many installations are compromised, but in all around the ENP industry, I'm not specific about any organization, and we have seen incidents, many incidents, blowouts and other incidents, fire incidents all over the place. So that lacks the commitment of leadership. Despite of knowing that their safety is compromised, they kept on working on those things. Had they had the vision that safety is a value and that leads the progressive path to the sustainable growth of our organization. As far as culture is concerned, culture depicts that what is the value of the organization, what are the values. And values, if I go to the process management safety, which is the main topic of the conference, the base of it is the people, the working force. Then the knowledge they have. And for any process to make a success, a safe, you need to build it right, design it right, and maintain it right. Then only you can have a full process safety management and asset integrity will in place. This is generally, the rule is there, but it's not practice. We know all the rules. Being a safety experts, we know all the nuances of the safety management system, process safety management, crisis management, everything we know. But when it comes to the implementation, going to the last mile of your down the line worker and the contract management, as Mittal Saab said, that contractual worker is the biggest threat. The petty contractors, which can bring in a lot of unsafe acts into your organization, if you don't maintain stringent regulation and laws, that every contractor should have a mandatory safety procedures and mandatory trainings to their workforce. Secondly, the last thing is MOC, management of change, is the most important aspect of maintaining the safety culture. We in ONGC are following it religiously, and to upgrade it, we are amalgamating it with our SAP system so that every management of change is recorded in the system, and it fixes the responsibility, accountability, and the change is noticed to everyone and all concerned. And that should be followed religiously for everyone. However, in this too, there is a culture of an organization, that this is our safety culture. But for a huge organization, there are many subcultures are also there. One team in one organization maybe having a top-class safety culture, but when you go to the other teams, they have certain other standards. The need is to fill up these gaps, that we need to fill up these gap of safety culture amalgamation, that it comes to the top notch, and you build up a organizational safety culture to the top class and strive it to make it the world class. Thank you very much for the time being. I'll go ahead with the discussion as it moves on. Thank you.